Dear students, good morning. Welcome to our video lecture. Last lecture we did the sums of factorization, and today also we are going to continue, students, the sums based on factorization. Now, up to I think 4 sums we have done. So today we will complete questions 5 to 11. Section D. Now I am writing question number 5. Limit x tends to 1 by 2, 2x square plus 5x minus 3 upon 4x square minus 1. Then I am writing 6th sum. Limit x tends to minus 3, 2x square plus 9x plus 9 divided by 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Then I am writing the 8th sum. Limit x tends to, students. Limit x tends to 1 by 2, twice x square plus 3x plus 1 upon twice x square minus x minus 1. Okay, students. Now, all of you please concentrate, because here limit is only in one step. The basics are for factorization. So all of you please concentrate. If I factorize numerator, then numerator is twice x square plus 5x minus 3. This is, students, our numerator. Now 2 into minus 3 is minus 6, and 6 into minus 1 is also minus 6, and 6 minus 1 will give us 5. So we write twice x square plus 6x minus x minus 3. What is common from first two terms? Twice x. So what remains? X plus 3 minus 1 common. So x plus 3. So we get twice x minus 1 and x plus 3. Now I am factorizing the denominator, which is 4x square minus 1. So 2x double square minus 1 square. Factors of a square minus b square. I am applying this formula: a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So twice x minus 1 into twice x plus 1. Therefore, the required limit is twice x minus 1 into x plus 3 upon twice x minus 1 into twice x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 gets cancelled. Still this is 0 by 0 form only. Students, I repeat, still this is of which form? Then the answer is 0 by 0. Now, wherever there is x, for one more step according to division working rule, this is limit of f upon limit of g. Now wherever there is x, we write 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 2 plus 2x will be 1 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 3 is 7 by 2 upon 2. So the answer is 7 by 4. That's all, students. So again this is 0 by 0 form. Check, if I take x as minus 3, minus 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18, minus 27 will be minus 9 plus 9, 0. All the sums of factorization, I repeat students, all the sums of factorization students will be definitely of the form 0 by 0. Now, factorizing numerator, which is twice x square plus 9x plus 9, 2 into 9 is 18, and 6 into 3 is also 18, and 6 plus 3 will give us the middle term, which is 9. So I write twice x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 9. What is common here? Twice x, so x plus 3. Again 3 common, so x plus 3. So the factorization is twice x plus 3 and x plus 3. Denominator is twice x square plus 7x plus 3. 2 into 3 is 6, and 6 ones are also 6. 6 plus 1 will give us 7. So the factorization of product method comes into part. 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. What is common here? 2x. So what remains? X plus 3, 1 into x plus 3. So the factors are 2x plus 1, x plus 3. So the limit changes to limit x tends to minus 3. Factors are 2x plus 3 into x plus 3 upon 2x plus 1 into x plus 3. X plus 3 and x plus 3 gets cancelled. So this is equal to limit of f, which is 2x plus 3 divided by limit of g, which is 2x plus 1. So replace f(x) by minus 3. So minus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 upon 2 into minus 3 plus 1, minus 6 plus 3, so minus 3, minus 6 plus 1, so minus 5. So the answer is 3 by 5. So students, the base of this is your basics 10 standard. The basics are nothing but 10 standard, and limit is formally students is only one step. Limit is formally students only in one step. So one has to be very carefully understanding this basic students. Once you understand the basic students, I don't think that you should have any problem. Okay, again this will be 0 by 0 form. All the sums of factorization will be 0 by 0 form. So simplifying numerator, twice x square plus 3x plus 1. 2 ones are 2, and 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So this is written as twice x square plus twice x plus x plus 1. What is common from first two terms? Twice x. So x plus 1 plus nothing is common. So 1. So the factors are twice x plus 1 and x plus 1. Now denominator is twice x square minus x minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 will be minus 1. So twice x square minus 2x plus x minus 1, common from first two terms is 2x, 1 common from next two terms, so the factorization is 2x plus 1, x minus 1. So the limit changes to 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 into x minus 1. 2x plus 1 gets cancelled. Apply division working rule. So limit of f, which is x plus 1 upon limit of g, which is x minus 1. Replace x by 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2. So the answer is minus 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So students, in the sums of limit by factorization, your basic is 10 standard. Last step we apply division working rule and substitute the limit. As such, x is never equal to 1 by 2 or 3 or minus 3, whatever it is. But in the sums, as an approximation, we are directly substituting the limit. So one has to be, students, very cautious. One has to be very cautiously doing the sums. And if you do the sums very perfectly, students, I don't think that you should have any doubts. Now, students, we are doing question 8, 9 and 10. Our next target is to do questions 8, 9 and 10. So it is limit x tends to minus 2, 9x squared plus 5x minus 26 upon 5x squared plus 17x plus 14. Okay, the ninth question I am writing limit x tends to 0, 1 by x into bracket 5x plus 14 divided by 3x plus 7 minus 2. Then 10th one also we are writing limit x tends to 2, 2 divided by x minus 2 minus 4 divided by x squared minus 2x. Okay, students, now all of you please try to pay attention and try to understand what type of sums are given. Now, students, concentrate. Factorizing the numerator. Numerator is equal to 9x squared plus 5x minus 26. This is numerator. 9 into minus 26. Let me not multiply. Just I am writing 9 into minus 26. Now we want 5. Students, we want 5. Now 26 is factorized as 2 into 30. So I am writing minus 30. So 18 into minus 30 and 18 minus 30 will give us 5. We want 5 only, students. So you are no need to multiply, just factorize. So this is 9x squared plus 18x minus 30x minus 26. Take 9x common, so x plus 2. Take minus 13 common, so x plus 2. So 9x minus 13 into x plus 2. Now students, factorizing the denominator. Denominator will be 5x square plus 17x plus 14. Now 14 5s are 70. Okay. And 10 7s are 70, of course. And 10 plus 7 will give us 17. So this is written as 5x square plus 10x plus 7x plus 14. Taking 5x common from first two terms, so x plus 2, taking 7 common, so x plus 2. So this is 5x plus 7 into x plus 2. Now, the limit will be limit x tends to minus 2, 9x minus 13 into x plus 2 divided by 5x plus 7 into x plus 2. This gets cancelled. So this is nothing but limit of f, which is 9x minus 13 divided by limit of g, which is 5x plus 7. Replace x by minus 2, so minus 18 minus 13 upon minus 10 plus 7. So this is minus 31 upon minus 3. So the final answer is 31 by 3. Minus gets cancelled, students. So this is how students we do this basic sums. And once you understand the method, students, I don't think that you should have any doubts. The main part is to understand the concept of factorization. Here, students, you can take only LCM with the bracket, keeping this 1 by x as it is. So if I take LCM, this will be 5x plus 14 minus 6x minus 14 divided by 3x plus 7. This term is multiplied here, and outside there is a negative sign. So 14 and minus 14 gets cancelled. So this is limit x tends to 0, 1 by x. 5x minus 6x is minus x divided by 3x plus 7. X and x gets cancelled. So limit x tends to 0, minus 1 upon 3x plus 7. Apply division working rule. Limit of minus 1 divided by limit of x tends to 0, 3x plus 7. Limit of a constant is constant because there is no x which is replaced by 0. 0 into 3 will be 0 plus 7. So the answer is minus 1 by 7. Now for this 3-step, students, you get 3 marks in examination. Students, for only this much you get 3 marks. So it is very interesting. Okay, here what I can do is write this as limit x tends to 2 upon x minus 2 minus 4 upon x into x minus 2. This much all of you can understand. From x square minus 2x, students, I can definitely take x common. So this is easy to understand. Now what is LCM of x minus 2 and x into x minus 2? It is x minus 2 into x. So taking LCM, we get limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 into x. Here x will be multiplied, so 2x minus 4. Here already LCM is there. Now what is common from the numerator? Then the answer is 2. So 2 into x minus 2 upon x minus gets cancelled. So this is limit x tends to 2 by x. Apply division working rule or write it as 2 by 2. The answer is 1. So students, your fundamentals always comes into play. This is the most interesting part of limit. And trust me, these chapters are very less theoretical, no theories. This type of sums are very interesting because no table, no totals. So again students, you can appreciate this type of sums. Students, you can definitely appreciate this type of sums. So one has to be very careful, one has to be very cautious in factorizing and then students taking LCM. Okay, let us do students sum number 11. Now all of you please concentrate. These are again very interesting sums. Now see students, the question is 11th sum of section D. Still I am writing, we are carrying on with sums of section D. Limit x tends to 0. 1 plus 2 upon 3 plus 4 by x. Okay. Then students, we are going to do one of 2 or 3 questions of section C, which are theories. Now I simply found this bracket. Students, let us go step by step. This is the entire term. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 2 upon, if I take x as LCM, it is 3x plus 4 upon x. And denominator is always multiplied denominator. So this changes to limit x tends to 0, 1 plus twice x upon 3x plus 4. Now again take LCM. So this will be multiplied here. So limit x tends to 0, 3x plus 4 plus 2x upon 3x plus 4. So this is written as limit x tends to 0, 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 4 upon 3x plus 4, apply division working rule. So limit x tends to 0, numerator upon limit x tends to 0, denominator. Wherever there is x, it is 0 plus 0 into 5 is 0 plus 4 upon 0 plus 4. So the answer is 4, 5, 4. So 1. So this is how students we do the sum. Now, as I told, today's quota of sums is over. Now section C, I know we have done up to question number 8, question number 9 and question number 10. Our theories explain the meaning of x tends to A and explain the meaning of x tends to 0. Students, I have already discussed that as the value of x are brought closer and closer to A, either by increasing its value or by decreasing its value. By increasing means from left side and by decreasing means from right side. Then you can say that the value of x approaches A. Meaning of x tends to 0 also we have discussed. Define limit of a function. I told you that here you have to write the second definition, students. Limit of a function. The definition, students, which is given on page number 146. Here I tell you, if you don't understand, simply mark up the definition, because this definition has no implication with the sum. The limit of the function f(x) tends to L as x tends to a if for a given predetermined epsilon greater than 0, however small, we can find a positive number delta such that mod f(x) minus L less than epsilon for all such x such that mod x minus a less than delta. Students, if you don't understand, don't worry, simply try to memorize this definition. Epsilon is also a type of delta only, and delta is of course delta. Then, students, section C. 12th question. State the multiplication working rule of limit. Now, limit x tends to a, f of x is L. We have already written yesterday. Let limit x tends to a, f of x be L, and limit x tends to a, g of x be n. Then product working rule, limit x tends to a, fx into gx will be equal to L into n. Limit of product of two functions is equal to the product of limit of both the functions. I repeat, limit of product of two functions is equal to the product of limit of both the functions. And division working rule. Students, division working rule. Limit x tends to a, fx upon gx. Limit of division of two functions is equal to division of limit of both the functions, provided n not equal to 0. So this working rule, students, we have to memorize. The remaining we will continue in the next